What's up guys, got a pretty special Nike outlet find and unboxing for you. This is the Nike Air Force 1 High Rude Awakening. This is a Rasheed Wallace Nike Air Force 1. It's very special, it comes with a lot of accessories, some bling. A nice little sheet here to explain some stuff. I'm not going to read this, but it's in 4K, so I'm pretty certain you can read that. It's number 16 right there. Let me know in the comment section if you know what this means. Pretty nice little gold card they give you when you buy this shoe. So we're going to open up the box here and bring out the shoes. Pretty nice sneakers. Let's talk about all these accessories. As you can see, it's an Air Force 1. It's got a strap. Blue strap says 30. The white strap inside says "Ball don't lie." It's a pretty nice strap if you ask me. The other thing I should mention is this is gold bling right here. Pretty nice, little championship bling. I'm gonna throw these on. As you can see, I bought several pairs. You can see it in the background right there. Pretty exciting to have so many pairs of these shoes. I wonder what I'll do with them. Before we throw them on, I'm going to show you the inside of the shoe. So inside it reads the association. Let's get that in focus here. Pretty cool if you ask me. And the other shoe, that number 16 again. Time to throw them on. Alright, so they're finally on. They're pretty fire. It takes a while to get them on, that's for sure. If you're interested in the denim I'm wearing, these are nudie jeans. I can leave a link in the description if you want to grab a pair for yourself. Right here, this is a gold championship trophy. Pretty nice addition to the shoe. I don't know if I'd wear it. I'm pretty sure I'd get rid of these straps too. I think these look pretty nice like this. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Notice I have a lot of shoes. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye. Before I go, I just want to show you in detail. These are patent leather shoes. Pretty shiny. Pretty good material if you ask me. Blue patent leather, white patent leather. Solid soles right here. Nice little gold thing. Extra blue laces, if you were wondering. Ball don't lie. That might be pretty sick instead of this plain blue one. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. If you're interested in this denim, it stacks pretty well. Nudie Lean Dean, check them out on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.